Good day, sir. I'm Charlie M. Fernandez, 22 years old from Barangay Liberty, Palampon, Leyte. The death penalty should be allowed for terrible crimes in the Philippines because it delivers true justice and protects society. To those who commit the worst act, like murder or child rape, deserve the highest punishment. It shows that we value innocent lives and won't tolerate extreme evil. Legalizing divorce in the Philippines is ethically appropriate, especially to those person who abuse or in toxic relationship. From an ethical standpoint, forcing people to stay in a harmful or loveless marriage can cause long-term emotional, psychological, and even physical harm. Everyone has a right to safety, dignity, and the pursuit of a better life. While marriage is a sacred commitment, ethical judgment must also consider compassion, justice, and human well-being. Legalizing divorce does not destroy families. It protects individuals from being trapped in destructive ones.